So I'm here in this sort of plaza area in Cusco, Peru. I've only just been able to start filming now because there's some amazing band thing been going on. I'm just gone off down the street. Absolutely brilliant, really, really loud. I'm about to start a walking tour of Cusco city. I think this is the meeting place, but I can't see anybody else, so I'm going to have to have a look and see where I'm supposed to meet. And I'll not show you the full tour, but I'll bring you along for a little bit, see what we see. We're about to head into San Pedro market. I think that's over there. Well, that's the walking tour done. 3 hours. I'm feeling the altitude. Pretty hard to breathe most of the time. I'm now going to head back to San Pedro market, see if I can get me some cheap food. Right, so I've got absolutely no idea what's going on. I've got sat down at this like bar thing, said menu del dia to somebody, menu of the day. I've now got a bowl of soup. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what she's bringing me next. I'm confused about the whole situation, you know. I've got food, so like pasta in some kind of broth. Nice, you know. Well, that's that one finished. I'm not sure what I'm going to get next. Oh, follow me. Gracias. There you go, that's what I'm getting next. Okay, she did come over to me and we did a bit of Google translating, and she spoke into the phone and it basically said something about second trout and made no sense. But I had no intention of having the first trout, never mind the second one. But looks like we've got chicken and rice and chips. Good. Yeah, looks alright. Pretty good. Tasty and should be pretty cheap as well. Right, well that's lunch done. That was interesting. Learned how to do that. It was all a bit confusing, but the bottom line is I had soup and then a chicken thing with rice and some chips. And it was £1.58. Winner. Now I need to go find the woman outside selling churros that I've walked past twice already. I found her. Hola.
¿Churros amigo?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
2 soles con dulce de leche y chocolate.
¿Dulce de leche?
2 soles. Hay 5, 6, 7, 8.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias, amigo.
Thank you. Two solas? Is that right? I think she's had my pants down there, to be honest. I just had a whole 2-course meal for 7 solas. 7 solas and 2 solas. Oh well. Oh man, that is terrible. That is terrible. Oh dear. What a waste of 2 solas. I don't even think I'm going to finish it. Just hard and dry. Well, I ditched the manky churro and got myself an ice cream. 2 scoops of lucuma, which is a Peruvian fruit. Tastes very similar to caramel. Our guide earlier said it tasted like peanut butter. I'm not getting that at all. Probably caramel. Closest thing I can think. I want to try the actual fruit at some time as well. Anyway, let me eat this in peace. And that's a wrap. Starting to rain. I've eaten everything. I've run out of stuff to do. I'm knackered, I can't breathe. So I'm off to chill out for a bit. Next video in a few days. I'm not sure what I'll be doing. See ya.